I'm Raymond here from Holistically. I'm a head of agency and about 14 years of experience in the real estate.
I'm Ramesh. I'm also from Accredited, head of residential projects department, over a decade of experience.
How do you feel about these 2 days of SAMP?
Definitely very informative, and Alfred and Sean shared a lot of case studies, and it's very applicable in engaging your customers, and especially today, there are so many complex situations that our customers face. So it's definitely good to attend this course and get to know how to handle these intricate cases very well.
I've attended many finance courses before, but this one it's very relatable because a lot of case studies. So you can apply it. I think every Singaporean can apply it to himself if you're looking at property for purchase. And I think after attending this course, you're also a lot more confident to guide our clients, our friends to better plan their finances when they are purchasing a property. So very interesting, very succinct and to the point also. So easy to grasp and learn all the different things they do.
Thank you. Will you recommend your friend or colleagues to this course?
Definitely all real estate agents should come for this course, especially with the dynamic changes that's going on in the world. Alfred is not just sharing just a framework, but really about case studies and today's context. What is the world facing? What are the challenges in today's market? So it's definitely very applicable.
Yeah, I agree. Definitely a good refresher for people who already think they are quite expert, but I think there's always something new to learn. So I also learned a lot of new things today. So definitely recommend for all practitioners and even non-practitioners, all of you should attend this course.